Hey, Grayson, do you want a cookie? Cookie? Come on. Come get it. You want to come eat a cookie and get a snack? Yeah? Come here. Come get it. My big girl walking. Come get your cookie. We're going to go eat a snack. Yeah? Where's Dada? You want me to go in the kitchen? Because you know where the cookies are, don't you? Say, I just turned 11 months. So I was officially walking at 10. And my curls are coming in. See my little winglets? Whoa. Good walking. You want a cookie? Yeah, you're following me. Just give me those cookies. Good. Good turning. Okay, say bye-bye. I'm going to go eat my cookie now. Okay? No, that's caca. No, not the trash. Come here. Not the air freshener. No. Where's your cookie? Grayson. No. Say bye-bye. No touch. Hot. Grayson, no. Can you wave bye-bye? Can you wave bye-bye? No. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
It's your fridge, DJ.
Are you going to sing for everybody?
For our classic tune.
You're going to sing Old MacDonald?
Old MacDonald.
Gonna dance? Sing it! My big girl. I'm gonna show everybody how strong you are. Hey, what do you say? Uh-oh. Grayson. You say, uh-oh. Want to stand up? Good girl. Okay, bye-bye.